Hey guys, and welcome back to our English video. Today we are actually going to be installing a new exhaust system on my BMW E90 M3. Right now this car has a Borla exhaust system, or a catback if you will, and I think the rest is stock. We will see when we get it up in the air. Today we are going to be installing a Freiheit exhaust system, and that's like a Japanese quality exhaust, so I think that will be pretty cool. And it's like a lightweight performance exhaust, and I mean this car sounds pretty cool right now, but I really think this engine has potential to sound even better. Right now we can just insert some before clips so you will know how the car sounds right now, but I'm not saying it sounds bad. I mean, it sounds actually pretty good. From the rear of the car it sounds pretty crispy, but from the inside it doesn't seem to be that crisp sound. It's kind of like a round V8 sound. It's really hard to describe sound, but yeah, I want more like crisp, but I don't want it to be too much either, so I don't want it to be too much drone on the inside. But if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do, and tell me if you do like me switching back to English, and I really hope all of you guys who enjoy the English content will enjoy this video, because I feel like it's a good thing to be back to English. I really like that, and yeah, so I really hope for you guys' support, and I really hope you enjoy my videos coming forward. Anyways, let's get the car into the shop. Let's go.
Getting camera shy.
Det ser ikke bra ut.
Jeg tror du må få det innover etter hvert.
Nei, vent da, den er jo ikke innpå her.
Nei, den er ikke innpå der nå.
Ja, for det her. As you can see right here, the tips are sticking way too much out from the rear. We found out after a while that these brackets that holds the exhaust, we mounted those the other way around. So we simply have to swap the left for the right one and the right one for the left one. And that seemed to help quite a lot actually. And now it looks pretty good.
oppi her. Ja, så det er en
Okay, now over to the sound tests. I mean, it does sound pretty aggressive, but I'm going to be 100% transparent here and say that I was a little bit disappointed at first when I installed the exhaust, because it seemed to me that it was a little bit more quiet than the Borla exhaust. And that was not something that I wanted, because I wanted the car to be more loud than it was from before. But nevertheless, after I've been daily driving this car for now actually a few months, yeah, that's right, this video is really delayed because my car is actually in winter storage right now, and as you see, this is mid-summer, so I'm quite late. I'm sorry about that. But anyways, now that I have been driving the car for quite some time, I must say I am extremely impressed by the drone. There is like next to no drone, like nothing at all. And I didn't think that was even possible with a big V8. The previous exhaust, the Borla exhaust, was pretty good, but there was some drone, not a lot. But with this, I am so surprised by how good it actually is. So it's really comfortable to drive on longer road trips, and it's actually, to my opinion, after daily driving this for a while, I think it's loud enough. It has a really cool noise to it, and actually I haven't been able to get this on video just yet, but sometimes when I have it in like M mode and the transmission is in the hardest setting and I really floor it and go from like second to third, it actually like spits into gear, and that's really cool. It just has only happened like 3 or 4 times in like 3 months, so I don't know if it's the exhaust needs to have a certain amount of temperature or something like that, but it's a really cool thing, or feature if you can call it that. Nevertheless, I am really happy with the results on this install, and my car is perfect to daily drive now, and I mean, yeah, I'm just enjoying every single day I'm driving this. I'm so happy I bought this as a daily and not just as a weekend cruiser, because it gives me so much pleasure and yeah, so much happiness in my everyday life. So yeah, anyways, I am really excited to see the feedback on this video, because I have now changed the language to English, but I really hope you guys enjoy the video. And now let's properly compare and hear how the sound clips from before is versus the after. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video till the end. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if some of you guys are disappointed that I do not speak Norwegian anymore, I am sorry, but it hasn't simply given the amount of feedback and response that I initially wanted or hoped for. So I am going to go back to English, and I have realized that I do have a lot of people from abroad, not Norway, watching my videos. So I think it's only fair that other people also can enjoy my content. So yeah, I'm sorry I'm rambling too much, but anyways, really happy you stayed till the end of the video, and I'm excited to make more videos in the future on this YouTube channel, and I hope you have a good day. See you later.